Hello and welcome back to today's class. Our task today is to solve this nice looking logarithm equation, or logarithm problem. Now, if you look at this problem very well, you will see that here can be written as, this place here can be written as 81 raised to the power of log 2 is 3. Why? Remember from the law that we have this. If we have 1 all over log a base b, this equals log b base a. The base and the log and the base, they interchange their position. So if we have this equals this. So if this is this 2 goes up and this 3 comes down, the log and the base interchange their position. All right, let's continue. So from here, let's also apply the same law here. Here we can say this is divided by 36 log 2 base 6. The same thing. All right, now from this place, we know that 81 equals 3 to the power 4 and 36 equals 6 to the power 2. So let's apply it here. From here, we know that 81 equals 3 to the power 4 log 2 base 3 divided by 6 to the power 2 log 2 base 6. All right, now from this law, we know that if we have x log b, this x returns back as a power here. So we have log b to power x. So from here, this 4 is going back. So we know that this is 3 log 2 to power 4 base 3 divided by 6 log 2 to power 2 base 6. All right. Now clearly, what can we see here? Base, 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 base. So base, base can cancel. Base, base can cancel. But first of all, we know that 2 to power 4 is 16 and 2 to power 2 is 4. So clearly, what can we see? We know that 3 log 16 base 3 divided by 6 log 4 base 2. All right. So let's continue. Now from here, we have base can cancel out base 6 and base here can cancel out base. So what do we have? We have 16 divided by 4. And we know that 16 divided by 4 is still the same thing as what? 4. So this is the right answer. And so that we come to the end of this tutorial. If you enjoy such content, do well to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. There are more videos for you to watch.